Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be organizing all my fidgets because I just made another YouTube video that was a fidget tour. So now I'm going to be organizing all my fidgets in my boxes. So let's get started. So right now I have to put this one away in where my puppets normally go. And so yeah, so I'm putting that away now. And then next what I'm gonna put away is this. It's my game one. So I'm gonna put that in the puppet drawer too. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one away. I think this one's got 100 pops, but I'm not totally sure. But yeah. And then I got all these puppets and dimples to put away. So I'm going to put my dimples in there for a minute. And then first, let's get all my rainbow fidgets out, or my rainbow fidgets in my hand. Would anyone count this as a rainbow fidget? Because I don't think I would. It doesn't have most of the colours that has it in this, so I'm probably not going to count it. So here's all my rainbow fidgets. All of those. And I'm going to put these I'm going to put these on the side because that's like the most place I could put them, my puppets in. And then the rest, where I'm going to put the rest is right next to my other fidgets, or my other puppets. So this is how it's looking right now. Don't mind this stuff on the side, because I don't know what that's doing there, but that's fine. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this puppet one in there too. And then I'm going to put my dimple ones on top of my puppet book. And then I'm going to put these ones away. I'm going to get all my small puppets and then put them all away. So I'm going to put all of those away. These. And then I'm going to put them away. Okay, so put those away. And then I'm going to put these two away. They can go right in front of my puppets. And then I'm going to put these ones away. I have another dimple, but I left it at my school. So, yeah. And then I'm going to put this one away. Okay, so I think that's pretty much all my stuff that's... Oh, wait, no, I forgot a puppet. I missed a puppet. Okay, now it's going to be my next drawer. So I've done that. Now I'm going to do this drawer and then, well, box, and then that one. My next big drawer is going to be all my squishies and stuff like that. So first I'm going to put in these two ones because these are my most biggest squishy. So I'm going to put those right next to each other. And then I'm gonna probably put... I'm going to put this one away next to it. And then I'm going to put... what one should I put now? Ooh. I'm going to put in these slimes because there's going to be slimes put in there too. So I'm going to put my slimes away too. So let's put all these away. These aren't slimes, but I guess I can count them as slimes. No. I guess I can. So put that away, and then I'm gonna... Okay. Now I'm gonna put these ones away. Okay. Oh, I forgot to put this one away, my puppet one. Just put that there. And now I'm gonna put these two away. Cause yeah. And then I'm gonna put this one away. Okay. Time to put this one away. And then these three. Don't think you can pretty much see them, but yeah, there they are. Okay, and then gotta put this one away again in my puppet one. Now I'm gonna put these ones away. Now time to put this one away. Oh no. Oh yes, it fits. Now it's time to put these ones away. Okay. And then I'm gonna put these two like monster mans away. Now I'm going to put all my grubbles and my splat balls and all my squishies, all my mini little squishies away. Oh. Okay, time to put, oh my goodness, all of these ones away. Wait a minute. Now time to put my grubbles away. Now I'm going to put these two splat balls away. Oh, no. Anyways. And then I'm going to put all of these two, well, these two away. And then these. Now, I'm going to take these out and then put something else in there. Now, I didn't show these in the other video, so I'm going to quickly show you them now. So that it's sort of like dark green into dark blue and sort of like black mixed together. And then I have this one, and then I have this one that's in a blue. And then now what I'm going to put in this box is, well, first what I'm going to show you what I'm going to put in there. I've done this box, so I'll quickly show you this one. So there's that. And then now in my small box, I've got to fit all of this, all of that in there, just in this small box. So that's going to be pretty hard, just to fit all of this in there. So first I'm going to put this snake in there, and then I'm going to put in this kinetic sand. I'm going to put that on the side, and then I'm going to put this one, this one, this one, and this one away. First, this one's actually a slime, so I'm actually going to put it in the other one. So I'm just going to put these ones away. And then I'm going to put this one away. Okay, that's good. And then I'm going to put this one away. And then these two pop tubes away. And then what I'm going to try to fit in here is I'm actually going to put this away and this away first, quickly. So what I'm going to try to fit in here is these. This won't fit in there, so I'm going to put that away. This in there, this in there, and these two in there. Okay, so that's good. It fits. And now just time to put it away. So now that draw's done, and here it is. There's that drawer done. Well, box done. And that's everything all done. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell button right next to the subscribe button. So bye, peace out.